Good morning, everyone, and good morning, Sir Marlon. So, in this PowerPoint, I will be showing you the issues of communication, media, and correspondence with Philippines democracy and its people. Philippines is a democratic country, which means we are free of speaking for what we believe in. The communication we have in this modern era have made improvement which reflected more extensively in movements of our financial and social turn of events. However, as above mentioned, since we are in a free country, there will be always a hole for criticism, and that leads to the issues with regards to communication in media. And as you can see, and read in social media right now. Most Filipinos, specifically in the Twitter application platform, users are most likely to share out their opinions with regards to the turn of events here in the country. And that is uncontrollable, making it a either disadvantage and advantage of these technologies we have today. Meaning po, sa sobrang demokratiko ng ating bansa, yung freedom of speech natin ay inaabuso na. Parang wala nang essence yung boses natin kasi minsan masyado nang magiging pa-woke or pa-fame na lang yung mga opinions. That's all. Thank you, sir.